Hello everyone. Today is January 13, 2021. We will check the market movement today, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So we need to see if the PCI is going up or going down today. But before that, this is the companies that we want to see: Gsmi, JFC, FLI, Tugs, and Acen. So now, before we will discuss this company, we will check first the PCI. So let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Today is down by 0.21%, but still he is above. PCI is still above on this horizontal support. So as we discussed yesterday, that we need PCI to check. We need to check this line if there is a bounce or this support ay mag-hold. So we're hoping that the PCI will stay above on this support, this line, and going sideways. It is good for PCI, especially if the price will still above the blue line, this AME 20. So tomorrow we'll check this line if there is a bounce, but still there is a space. So there's a possibility that the PCI will going down to this horizontal support. So but we need to check this line, this horizontal support line, that this line will be mag-hold, no? This line will be hold, and hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal support, this line. So sana mag sideway lang si PCI on this area. If ever there's a sideway and there's a bounce on this line, and it's good for PCI, no? There's a possibility that this resistant line ay ma-break ni PCI. So sana ganyan po ang mangyari ni PCI. Next one is we will discuss Gsmi, Ginebra San Miguel. Ginebra San Miguel, I will check the price movement. Still above on this horizontal support, and we can draw a line here as a reference. Okay, so we need to put a line, always the inclined support. So sana mag-hold si Ginebra San Miguel on this line, and if Ginebra San Miguel will stay on this area, so it's still good for Gsmi, provided that this inclined support ay hindi break ni Gsmi. He will still above on this inclined support. So Gsmi is still good if this line inclined support ay mag-hold, and this horizontal support also. But if this horizontal support ay ma-break and this inclined support, so then we need to watch another price movement of Gsmi. But for now, it is still good, no? So just watch this inclined support, hindi ma-break ni Gsmi. So next one is GFC. If we see Jollibee Food Corporation, now he's in above AME 20, this blue line, but we can draw an inclined resistance on this area. So for now, for me, as I said, this is not intended for there's no recommendation for buying here, but this is only for educational purposes. For me, if there is a breakout of this incline resistance, there's a possibility that the price will go on this next resistance above. And if that's happened, kung mangyayari yan, so it's good. And if there's a pullback on this area, this is the area we need to watch for GFC. But for now, we will wait. If this incline resistance, I'm a break me GFC, because if not, if the price will go down below MA20, there's a possibility that we will going back on this next support below this AME50, this red line. So for me, we need to watch the incline resistance. I'm a break me GFC. So next one is FLI. If we check FLI, still now he is in the resistance area. So we need to watch if there is a breakout of this incline, this horizontal resistance above. So now, if this line I'm a break me FLI, then this is the next possibility. This area FLI will go in this area. But for now, if there is a rejection, we need to wait, because maybe the price will going back again in this area. And we need to watch always the blue line, this AMA20, if the price is still above AMA20. But if not, possible direction this line. So for now, for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance above. Next one is Tugs. Harbor Star Shipping still below on this horizontal support, no? So tomorrow, if the price will go back on this area, it is good for Tugs. But if we draw a line here, the incline resistance, we can draw incline resistance on this area. So we can connect this line and this line. So you can see now that there is an incline resistance on this line. So we need to see if this incline resistance I'm a break me Tugs. But if not, the possible direction he will go back on this area. So we need to watch if there is a breakout of Tugs. Next one is Acen. If we check Acen now is dropping on this area. He is near this incline support and this horizontal support. But there is a bounce in this area, so we need to watch if there is a bounce. And if the price will go up again on this blue line, AME20, then it is good for Acen. If there is a break, if there is a bounce on this horizontal support. So humina po yung ano ni Acen ngayon. I hope this incline support ay mag-hold and there's a bounce of Acen on this area. So that's all for today. Thank you, and God bless us all always.